Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we talked about AMIs and how EC2 instances are created. Now in this video, we are going to talk about something very important when working with EC2, which is EC2 instance types. You can think of instance type like different types of machine or servers that AWS provides. Just like when you buy a laptop, you choose the specifications such as CPU, RAM, storage depending upon your needs. Similarly, when launching an EC2 instance, we must choose the right instance type based on our workload. And in this video, I will explain it in a very simple way so that you can easily decide which EC2 instance type to use in different situations. So first, let's understand what exactly is an EC2 instance type. An EC2 instance type defines the hardware configuration of the virtual server that you are launching. This includes things like CPU, memory, storage, network performance. In simple words, an instance type tells AWS how powerful your server should be. Some applications need more CPU, some need more memory, some need faster storage. That's why AWS provide different instances types. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you are opening a restaurant. If your restaurant is small, you don't need a huge building or a large kitchen. But if your restaurant becomes very popular and thousands of customers come daily, then you'll definitely add a bigger space and add more resources. EC2 instance types work exactly like this. Small workload will be equivalent to small instance and larger workload will be equivalent to powerful instance. AWS groups EC2 instances into different categories based on what they optimized. The main categories you should remember are general purpose instances, compute instances, memory optimized, storage optimized, and GPU instances. And these are different types of instances type. We will discuss all of these further. If you understand these five categories, you will understand EC2 instances type easily. Let's start with the most common type of with the most commonly used ones. The general purpose instances are balanced instances. This means they provide a balance between CPU, memory, networking. A very common example is T2 or T3.micro. These are usually used by a lot of beginners and also in AWS free tier. Use cases of general purpose instances include web server, small applications, some development and testing environments are just learning AWS because this is free tier. For example, if you want to host a simple website or small application, a general purpose instance is usually enough. That's why most beginners start with these instances. Now let's move to compute optimized instances. As the name suggests, these instances are designed for applications that require high CPU performance. High CPU processors suited for compute intensive applications. These instances have more processing power and example include instance family like C5 and C6. They are used in situations like video processing, gaming servers, scientific computing, high performance batch processing jobs. For example, imagine you are running an application that processes thousands of requests every second. In this case, you need a server with strong CPU power. That's when compute optimized instances are useful. Let's talk about memory optimized instances. These instances are designed for workloads that require large amount of RAM. Example include R5 and R6 categories of instances. Use case include databases, big data processing, caching systems, in-time caching systems, real-time data processing. For example, If your application is running a large database like MySQL or PostgreSQL and needs a lot of memory to store and process data quickly, then a memory optimized instance would be a better choice. This helps improve application performance. Next, we have storage optimized instances. These instances are designed for applications that require very fast storage performance and sequential read and write access to a large dataset or a local storage. Examples are I3 instances. They are used in workloads such as data warehouses, high-speed storage systems, big data applications, log processing system. For example, if your system is currently reading and writing huge amount of data, you need a faster disk performance. That's where storage optimized instances come into play. Now let's talk about another important category of EC2 instances type, which is accelerated computing instances in Amazon EC2. These instances are designed for workloads that require special hardware acceleration, usually using GPUs or specialized processors. Normally, a server barely uses CPU to process tasks, but some applications require more faster processing for complex calculation, graphics rendering, or machine learning tasks. This is where accelerated computing instances are used. These instances include powerful GPU-based hardware that can process large amount of data much faster than normal CPU. Examples of GPU or accelerated instances family include P series, G series, and INF series. Now let's understand when we use these instances. Accelerated computing instances are commonly used in machine learning and AI training, video rendering, 3D modeling, scientific simulation, autonomous system, high performance computing workload. For example, if a company is training an AI model or building a machine learning system, they need a huge amount of processing power. Using a normal EC2 instance would be slow. So instead, they use accelerated computing instances with GPUs to speed up the process. Another example is video processing. If you are rendering high quality videos or working with graphics intensive applications, GPU based instances perform much better. But one important thing, beginners should know that these instances are more expensive compared to general purpose instances, so we usually use them only when our workload actually requires GPU or specialized computing power. Here is a simple trick that will help beginners remember this easily. If your workload is CPU heavy, then choose compute optimize. If your workloads need a lot of RAM, then choose memory optimize. If your workload needs very fast disk, then use storage optimize instances type. If you are just starting or running small application, choose general purpose CPU or general purpose instance type. If you need to work with graphics and high resolution, then you'll use accelerated computing instance type. In real world companies, engineers analyze the workload first. They check how much CPU the application needs, how much memory is required, how much storage performance is needed. Based on that, they select the right EC2 instance type. Sometimes they also monitor performance and later change the instance type if required. This is called right sizing infrastructure. So in this video, we have learned what EC2 instance types are, why they are powerful, different categories of EC2 instances, and when to use each type. Understanding instance type is very important because choosing the wrong instance type can affect both performance and cost. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.